Good morning, traders. Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, and I'm going to share with you one of my trade ideas for today. If you want all of my trade ideas every day, please come follow our Trading View channel and hit that boost button. The trade we're looking at is US dollar yen sells. Okay, now we're going to start with the weekly chart and do a top-down approach. But if we just follow weekly structure, right, you can clearly see we are in a downtrend, right? You don't have to be Warren Buffett to see we're in a downtrend. We've got nice big bearish candles, and we've got room back down to this 141 psychological level and this support level. It might go a little bit deeper into this level, but 141 is our first TP. So weekly's telling me I can sell. And then on the day chart, what I really like is yesterday's candle. So why do I like it? Well, first of all, daily is in a downtrend, right? And secondly, yesterday's candle broke all of these lows, right? Price was stuttering here. Okay, we were thinking, right, are we going to get a bit of a retrace? There are buyers entering here. There's some wicks. And then bang, we get this candle, right? Buyers have given up. Okay, so sellers are in control. We've still got, about 150 pips back down to this level. So that's what I'm looking to do. Sell US dollar yen back down to there. So weekly and daily are telling me I can sell. And then if we drop down to the H4, this is my entry time frame. And all I'm looking for, guys, is simply this. Somewhere in here, I am looking for a bearish H4 candle. As soon as I get that bearish H4 candle that tells me sellers are in control, I will take price back down to this 141. All right, guys. So yes, simple price action. Don't overcomplicate things. That's my trade idea. If you want all of my trade ideas, please don't forget to subscribe to our Trading View channel and hit the boost button. And I'll see you next time.